tutorial, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about drip marketing or autoresponders. Previously to this, we talked about how to set up an autoresponder, and what that is when somebody fills out the form on your landing page, they're going to automatically receive an email from you. And the way you do that is pretty simple. You hit this Create Responder button, and this is going to open up a screen where you can put your email subject in. And in this case, I'm just going to say thank you. And then down here, I click this. This is an area where you can actually insert your message, and there's a template in here. I want to remove it, so I'm going to click on this source button. I'm going to select all that code, and I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to click the source button again. And then I'm going to copy this here. This will allow me to personalize the message, and I'm going to paste it in here. So I'm going to say, Dear, and then I'll put their name in. And I want to say, thank you for visiting my landing page, and whatever message you want to include. If I want to include additional information, like a click here to visit my website, I can actually highlight that click here, hit this hyperlink, and then add the actual URL of my website, and it'll actually hyperlink that. Once I'm done with that, I can hit thanks and put your name in. If you want to insert anything else, you can as well. Now, what I do here is I specify when I want that message delivered, immediately or on a specific date, or how many days after they fill out the form, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. This one I'll set to immediate and hit save. And what I've just done in this step is I've created an autoresponder. Now, if I want to create drip marketing, and what that means is a sequenced delivery of emails, meaning that they fill out the form, they get the first email, and then a day later they get another email, 4 days later they get another email, 7 days later they get another email, and you can sequence out these emails. And the reason somebody might want to do that is if they want to deliver additional information or upsell products, or set it up kind of like a newsletter that goes out. This is how you would do that. You would basically go through and repeat the exact same process I did earlier. The only difference is I would put a different subject line in, of course, and this one might be my second subject, whatever that's going to be. Maybe it's a follow-up 3 days later. I would put my message in just like I did before. Then this one I would say 3 days later. Hit save. And now what will happen is it'll deliver the first message immediately, and the second message is going to deliver 3 days later after they fill out the form. Now let's say, for instance, that on the lead form I wanted to have somebody specify their birthday, and then I send them a birthday message immediately on that day. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go create responder. I would make this my this will be called my birthday message. This is kind of one of those little hidden Easter eggs in add to action. So I'll say happy birthday on this one. I will put my birthday message inside the body area, just like we did before. And then instead on this one, I'm going to say user specified date. Okay? And what that's going to do is it's going to require the user to specify the date. And I'm going to say your birthday, or birth date, right? And then I'm going to hit save. And by doing that, and it threw in this additional question, it's actually going to appear as a lead, as a question on the lead form that they fill out. And I'll show you how this works. Looking at the actual page, now there's a new field called birth date, and if I click on it, a calendar opens up where they can specify that they were born on January. Go back to whatever that date might be, 2003, and then that'll let, and then whatever their date is, January 3rd. And it doesn't matter what the year is, because every birthday after that they're going to receive the message from you, another happy birthday. So it's kind of cool how that works. Then they simply submit that, and then they're going to receive that birthday message. So you can set up sequencing or drip marketing. You can set up birthday messages or reminders, and you can do that all right through your autoresponder system. Now, keep in mind that the autoresponder system does have auto unsubscribe built into it. which means the client, if they get your email and they do not want to be on your list, they're going to unsubscribe themselves from it. If you want to look at any of your subscribers, you click this link here and it'll pull up a list of all your subscribers. And then inside this area, it'll show you how many actually unsubscribed. And you can actually download or delete any of those people manually in the event that they don't unsubscribe as well. So you have management over that list of subscribers, as well as all the CAN-SPAM compliant. Just be cautious when you're sending email that you don't, make it too spammy. Keep it friendly. Thank them for visiting your site, and then let them know if they don't want to receive additional information, they can unsubscribe at any time. So each package, depending on what package you have, will determine how many drip messages you can set up. So if you have any questions on this, again, let us know. Check out our knowledge base, but it's pretty simple how well that works, and that concludes our session on drip marketing.